Skeem Saam's Cornet on charity struggles. The local government has failed us. It has been several months since Skeem Saam actor Cornet Mamabolo officially launched his community library to help underprivileged youth, and the star is still struggling to get support from local government. The star opened the library in his home village of Marapathy Kong, in Gamo Lepo, Limpopo in May as part of his Cornet Mamabolo Foundation. It took 3 years to complete. Speaking to SOAN, Cornet said he wanted to inspire the community to read and improve education in the area. But his dream come true has hit a speed bump, as local authorities have apparently not been much help. Taking to social media this week, Cornet posted an update on the library and slammed some of the powers that be in the area. Our local government has failed us. But with your contributions we will go a long way. Please spread the word. A simple sharing of this message will make a difference, he wrote. He explained that the foundation was a non-profit organization and relies on donations to keep the library functioning. The foundation has several volunteers from the area who work at the library, and Cornet asked for assistance to help keep them motivated. Donations can be anyhow: groceries, school uniform, money, internet access, data or airtime.
Yeah.